Good morning, class 3. Today we will study about lesson number 4, parts of speech. आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे parts of speech के बारे में. Can you see some parts of speech over here? How many are there? 8. Parts of speech are 8 in numbers. Parts of speech 8 in numbers होते हैं. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Come to the first one. Noun. Used to name a person, animal, place, thing or an abstract ideas. Okay? यहाँ पर noun हम तब यूज करते जब हम किसी person के बारे में बात हो, व्यक्ति, okay? जानवर, वस्तु, जगह या वस्तु और an abstract ideas या तो किसी ideas के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. That is noun. Examples. Mohit, John, Ahmed, Amit, boy, girl, country, city, crowd, gold, truth, etc. ये सब क्या है? Subjects हैं. Come to the next word. Pronoun. Can replace a noun or another pronoun. Pronoun वो होता है जो noun को replace कर दे. ठीक है? With pronoun. Adjective. Modifies a noun or pronoun by describing, identifying or quantifying it. Okay? Adjective क्या होता है? जो noun या pronoun को describe करता है, identify करता है और quantify करता है. Verb. Verb expresses actions or state of being about the subject. वर्ब वो होता है जो एक्सप्रेस करता है अगले के एक्शंस को और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग को कि वो क्या है और उस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग एक्सप्रेस करता है. नाउ द एग्जांपल इज, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, laugh, eat, drink, kill, etc. ये सब क्या एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. That suppose I am taking any one of them. He laughs loudly. वो जोर से हंसता है. Okay? I am drinking water. Except drink, I used drinking water. So the doing verb is drinking. Okay? So it is expressing that I am drinking water. वो एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है कि मैं पानी पी रही हूं. नाउ एडवर्ब कैन मॉडिफाई अ वर्ब एंड एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब बाय टेलिंग हाउ, व्हेन, वेयर और हाउ मच. यहाँ पर एडवर्ब हमें मॉडिफाई करता है वर्ब को एंड देन एंड एडजेक्टिव को, फिर अनदर एडवर्ब. ठीक है, जो हमें बताता है कि कब, कहाँ, कैसे और कितना. ओके, कब, कहाँ, कैसे और कितना. Examples: fast, slowly, quickly, badly, happily, truly, early, soon, etc. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं word fast, slowly. I am picking up any word of them, out of them. Okay. The old man walks very slowly. ठीक है, old man. अब इसमें adverb हमने क्या यूज किया? slowly word. slowly word is the adverb. Okay? और किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? हमने ओल्ड मैन के बारे में बात करी. ठीक है, कि क्या कर रहा है? he is walking. And how he is walking? He is walking very slowly. Okay, the slowly word is adverb. Preposition indicates the temporal, spatial or logical relationship of its object to the rest of the sentence. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि preposition में वो words जो indicate करते हैं temporal, उसके particular time को कि उस वक्त पे वो कहाँ पर है, and spatial of logical relationship of its object. उस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट का उस ऑब्जेक्ट से क्या रिलेशनशिप है, उस पर्टिकुलर चीज को बताने के लिए हम प्रेपोजिशन का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑन, एट, इन, अंडर, नियर, टू, अपॉन, behind, in front of, with, for. ये सारे वर्ड्स हम किसी चीज को रिलेट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सब्जेक्ट्स को रिलेट कर रहे हैं और पर्टिकुलर चीजों को रिलेट कर रहे हैं. हाउ वी आर रिलेटिंग दीज ऑब्जेक्ट विथ ऑब्जेक्ट. आई एम रिलेटिंग नाउ. द कैट इज ऑन द टेबल. बिल्ली कहां बैठी है? टेबल के ऊपर. ओके. कंजक्शन. लिंक वर्ड्स, क्लॉजेस और फ्रेज. यहां पर कंजक्शन में हमें क्या करना है? वर्ड्स को आपस में लिंक करना है विथ क्लॉजेस एंड फ्रेज. ओके, क्लॉजेस एंड फ्रेज को देखते हुए वर्ड्स को आपस में लिंक करना है. नाउ द एग्जाम्पल्स आर एंड, बट, बिकॉज, आइदर और, नाइदर, नॉर, एक्सेट्रा. Now over here you can see some examples. I am picking any one example and making sentence. He is crying because he left one question in his exam. Because word is conjunction, क्योंकि मैंने दो चीजों को आपस में मिलाया. He is crying, फिर he left the exam. Okay, so मैंने इन दो words को जोड़ दिया. He was crying because he left the exam. Okay, now the another word is interjection. Word added to a sentence to convey emotion. For example, यहाँ पर हम words को देख सकते हैं जो sentence में convey करते हैं emotions को. Emotions को जो words जाहिर करते हैं, those words are interjection. For example, alas, hooray, bravo, oh, etc. alas जब हम बहुत दुखी हो, hooray जब बहुत खुश हो, bravo शाबाशी दे रहे हो, ओह किसी को अपने दुख जाहिर कर रहे हो. So these words are interjections. Okay. Good morning class 3. Today we will study about chapter number 4, parts of speech, part 2. Mnemonic device for 8 parts of speech. Pa, pa, and wick. Now we will listen over here. Number 1 is, listen it carefully, pronoun. P, pronoun. A, adjective. Pa. P, preposition. A, adverb. Pa, pa, pa. Okay, now N, noun. I, interjection. C is conjunction. Okay, so these all are pa, pa, N, I, C. Okay, now come to the exercise. Exercise number A. Pick out noun, naming words, pronouns, verbs, adjectives in the following sentences. यहाँ पर आपको noun निकालना है, इनमें से pronoun निकालना है, verb निकालना है, adjective from the following sentences, इन सारे following sentences में से. So, over here you can see number 1. Mr. Gupta is a good teacher. Mr. Gupta is noun. Is verb. And good teacher is adjective. Number 2 is honesty is the best policy. Word honesty is noun. Is verb. Best policy adjective. Number 3 is I bought some apples and bananas. Now you solve it. Yes, right. I is pronoun. Okay. Some is verb. Apples and banana is adjective. 4th one is dogs bark at strangers. Yes, right. Dogs is noun. Bark is verb and strangers are adjective. Number 5th is Akbar was a great king. Akbar is noun. Was is verb. Great king adjective. Number 6th is it is a good book. It pronoun. Is verb. Good book Adjectives. Number 7 is the teacher punished that naughty boy. The teacher, noun, punished, verb, naughty boy, adjectives. Number 8, Neha has a curly hair. Neha, noun, has, verb, and curly hair is adjective. Ninth one is they respect their elders. They is pronoun, respect, verb, elders, adjective. Rita is a clever girl. Rita, noun, is verb, and clever girl is adjective. Now come to the blanks. Noun, pronoun, verbs and adjectives. You have to fill it over here. 1 to 10. Over here, in the noun, you fill it. Mr. Gupta, Neha, Rita. 1 to 3 you have done. Now 1 to 3 of pronoun. I, it, they. Good. Come over here now. Verbs. Bark, clever, curly. Good. Now come to the adjective. Strangers, naughty, safe. Come to the next page now. Okay, now number 4th one is Akbar. Write down the noun. 4 to 10. Akbar, Mohan, John, Ahmad, Amit, girl, country. Now come to the pronoun. 4 to 10. He, she, me, them, her, him, we. Now come to the verb. 4 to 10. Hits, moves, provides, is, has, shines, bakes. Now come to the adjective. 4 to 10. Black, sweet, hard, sharp, good, honest, tastier. Exercise number B. Pick out the adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections in the following sentences. Number 1 is hooray, we have won the match. Hooray is interjection. Number 2 is she did her work regularly. Regularly is adverb. Number 3 is he drinks tea in the evening. Drinks is adverb. In is preposition. Number 4 is bravo. Well hit. Bravo is interjection and well is adverb. Number 5 is she invites me to tea. Invites is adverb. Come to the 6th one. Ajit ran fast but missed the train. Fast is adverb and but is conjunction. Come to the 7th one. Amit comes here daily. Daily is adverb. Come to the 8th one. Ice is cold but fire is hot. But is conjunction. Come to the 9th one. He is very smart boy. Very is preposition. Smart boy is adverb. Come to the 10th one. Alas, she is dead. Alas is interjection. Now you can see over here, the blanks over here, you will solve all this. Okay? Although I am solving over here, but you will practice it on your home. Okay? Adverbs. 1 to 10. Write it over here. Fast, slowly, quickly, badly, happily, truly, early, soon, loudly, beautiful. Written everyone? Come to the prepositions. 1 to 10. On, under, above, near, in, behind, between, in front, over, near. Near word is repeated. So write it over here. Very. Okay. Come to the conjunctions. 1 to 10. But, when, or, unless, before, if, since, so, until, yet. Written, everyone? Come to interjections. 1 to 10. Oh, bravo, hooray, alas, hush, for shame, well done, good God, ah, ouch. Okay, thank you, class.